friend, welcome to my channel. Today's video we're gonna go ahead and do a little bit of cleaning up here in our home, as well as bringing out the Valentine's decor. I'm gonna be focusing more on Valentine's decor here in our kitchen, since it's actually like in the center, or like in the center of our home. So it's like on one side we have the living room, the other side we have the dining room, but from the living room you can see like the whole view to the kitchen, since our home is actually like an open floor plan. And I don't know, I just feel like decorating the kitchen is just gives it a whole different vibe. And plus the kitchen, we are always here in the kitchen or near our kitchen. It's just the heart of our home. So we're gonna go ahead and put all of these dishes away quickly, throw more dishes into the dishwasher and start cleaning up. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I hope you guys find the motivation and inspiration. I'm gonna try not talking a lot because once again I am coming down with a cold or something, because I am starting to feel it. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and let's go ahead and continue.
Spend another day with you. I guess I have to let you go for now. I wish I could spend another day with you. I can feel you all the time until I meet you on the other side. You'll be with me all day and night. Oh, it's strange to be alone. It's like a tune from long ago. So would you take me in your arms? Yeah. 'Cause now I'm coming home. I wish I could spend another day with you. I guess I have to let you go for now. I wish I could spend another day with you. I can feel.
So we're gonna go ahead and start the decorating off here in our shelves. So this piece you see me putting here, it's actually the lid top part of a different container, which you guys will see I'll put up in just a bit. But I actually got that one from Goodwill. And this love sign over here, I believe I got it from Dollar Tree a couple of years back. And I'm just gonna just work with like very neutral colors, and also with pops of like reds and pinks, like in the flowers and stuff like that. And then I'm gonna go ahead and use most of my items are like from Dollar Tree. I always check Dollar Tree. For example, these little candle stands, cake stands, I'm not even sure what they're called, but they are ceramic, and I found them at our Dollar Tree, and it was actually the only 3 they had. But I did see people were posting that there were also red ones, but I did not find any red ones, but that's fine. I was able to get my hands on the 3 pink ones. And like this container you see here, this is actually the lid, well, the bottom part of the lid that I have posted up in the top. Once again, those are from Goodwill. But we're gonna go ahead and just work and play around with my shelves here. I hope you guys are enjoying today's video, and I hope you guys are enjoying and feeling today's music.
Wash my face, pale and thin, start again. But I think I need somebody to love me, to love me, to love me the way only you do. I wanna go higher, but I'm going deeper. Lord, can you hear my prayer? Tell me, are you there? Who's gonna love me the right?
So I just want to let you know that this picture frame you guys see here are the same ones like the ones I put in my living room. If you guys saw that last video where I shared 6 ways how I like to refresh my home. So once again, this picture I just found it on the internet, and then I sent it over to our CVS to have it printed out. And I just bought these frames off of Amazon, and I put them in there. So you guys will see this one here, and then I'm going to use another one on my shelf. But now our open cabinets are done. We're going to go ahead and move on to the bottom of our counters. I'm going to go ahead and quickly wipe them all off since we are doing some light cleaning as well. And then we're going to go ahead and start decorating this area.
You have a plan for me, 'cause I think I need somebody to love me, to love me, to love me the way only you do. I wanna go higher, but I'm going deeper. Oh, look, can you hear my breath? Tell me, are you there? Oh, who's gonna love me the right way? You're the only one that guides my heart. It's understandable, is irreplaceable love. Now I'm head underwater, just trying to reach for the sun. It's understandable, is irreplaceable love. And I will keep swimming till you show up, till you show
So here you guys are seeing that I am putting it one way, but I was still struggling with this corner. And I just think what was happening was that this cutting board was actually very small. So after struggling, trying different ways to glut it and make it work, I end up just bringing in the longer one. You guys saw me struggling a little bit with the other side, but I just feel like everything turns out very nice and still very Valentine's, but like very cozy at the same time and very functional for our kitchen, since we are in here like 3 times a day cooking meals and everything. So our kitchen is very well used as well. So yeah, we're just gonna go ahead and finish decorating here. And then you guys saw I had some candies in there already since Jill had found them a few days ago, so we poured them out in this bowl. But I went ahead and stopped by Dollar Tree and picked up a couple of more of these white cookie and cream chocolate hearts. The kids are just loving, and refilled this container as well, as I'm going to be refilling a couple more around our house. But now we're going to move on to our stove. I'm just going to go ahead and quickly use my microfiber cloth just to give it a really nice quick wipe down. Then I'm going to go ahead and change out our tea towels that I always like to have here on our stove. And then I'm going to go ahead and bring in one of my Beauty by Drew pots that I also like to have on top of our stove.
In my pain, I know you can feel it. There I find the comfort in your spirit. And every day you sing it over me like water. My love runs free. Oh, there is nothing like your love. There is nothing.
So like I mentioned before, our kitchen is still very functional. So besides all of the nice and pretty decor, we need to keep it very functional. So I did have a couple of apples here, and I actually am gonna have a Walmart order arriving in just a little bit. So then at the end, that would have a couple more fruits because I did order bananas. But we're gonna go ahead and start lighting this candle just to give it a really nice, beautiful scent here in our home as well. And then these 3 little hearts on a clip. I actually got these from Dollar Tree also, and I think they're very cute, but I do want to warn you guys that it is a little bit messy if you have little ones that like to touch them. The little sparkles on top do fall off very easily, so it's kind of like glitter but not as messy as glitter. But we're gonna go ahead and start wiping down our countertops, and after this we're gonna go ahead and move into our dining room. So for the dining room, I'm not doing nothing major over here. I'm just gonna go ahead and wipe down our table, and then I'm gonna switch out the table runner for a tablecloth, and then my basket, I'm gonna go ahead and use that because you're gonna notice that I wanted to use a flower arrangement that I have, but it just seems was not working out. And then plus we've been having all of our dinners here, and having to move that was just not going to be working out. So instead of the flower arrangement that I was going to put there, I'm just going to go ahead and bring back our basket with a very cute little live plant, and then more of those little heart things.
You're always resting at my door. Though I've wavered, you've been waiting. I'm the one you're looking for. Gratefully and humbly, I give you everything. And all that I can sing is thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. See me clearly, even in my deep despair. In the giving we receive it. Show me how to meet you there. Gratefully and humbly, I give you.
So now here are all of the afters of our kitchen and our dining room, but wait, don't click off just quite yet because today's video is still not done. We're gonna go ahead and tidy up a little bit in our living room, and I'm gonna share how I'm just gonna add a little tiny touch to our living room as well. As you see, in our kitchen is like all full out decorated for Valentine's, and then we still added a little touch of Valentine's to our dining room, and I'm gonna go ahead and do the same thing by just adding a little bit of heart Valentine candies and the little flower arrangement to our living room.
I give you everything.
So that is all for today's video. I'm just gonna go ahead and quickly finish vacuuming here, and I'm gonna switch out the Christmas chocolates that we had here for the heart ones, but my camera does die on me when I did not even notice. But here are all of the afters from our living room as well. As you can tell, just light little touches. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I hope you guys found motivation and inspiration, and I hope to see you all in the next one. God bless you all and have an amazing rest of your day. Bye, friends.
With me.